What is up, everybody? It is DJ Martini Midwest Reviews and Tutorials coming at you for another video. Today we're talking about the ProReck 900EX. Yes, I got them right here in the studio, and we're going to go ahead and take a quick unboxing look at them. Talk about a few things, but not get too crazy because I have the full in-depth review coming really soon. Also, I'm going to bring you a comparison with the 800EX to the 900EX side by side. Hopefully we'll get to do an outside take with that as well. So very, very cool. I know you guys are all excited. I've been getting comments and all kinds of things saying, hey, when's that 900EX coming? Well, it's here now. Hopefully we'll be getting it going this week, and then an extra video with the comparison next week as well. So very, very cool, very, very exciting. I will say thank you to ProReck for providing one for review, but then I also had to pick up a second one myself to be able to give you guys that stereo sound. Also check out the TWS and do a full, so I can get my full review and tweaks to you. So we did get it, and you're still going to get that honest review and what I think of ProReck right here on the channel. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the support and love. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing so you can get my first initial thoughts on the ProReck 900EX. And we'll talk about it a little as we go. All right, so we're here. Let's go ahead and jump in. Don't forget that this is from audioproReck.com. And it also says that if you have any questions, you can hit up their sales at sales-1@proreck.com as well. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Hopefully you can get a little of those sound effects in here that some people like. And we'll get into here. So once again, ProReck always packs their stuff pretty well. And I will admit that it always wasn't like that, but they've definitely stepped up their game. Very, very cool. So definitely will take some beating during shipping. And you can see that we have a little bit of cracked styrofoam, but that's what it's there for, right? To protect the actual item. So we'll go ahead and take this out. And right there, got a little beat up, you can see, but we're all good. Now, instruction manual on the top right there. You can see that the manual, I like ProReck manuals. They're always what they need to be. They have all the information. Like I said, there's that sales-proreck.com, Audio Proker, as I picked it up, tells them to, if you have any questions. The manuals are always good, has exactly what you need and all that stuff. Now, if you guys are familiar with the 800EX, the 800EX is kind of like a little bit more analog, has rotary knobs and volume knobs, but it doesn't have an LCD screen. And so the 900EX does have the LCD screen. And so another thing is like, that was like a comparison between their PA speakers that they had, where they had the SP, I believe it was the SP15, and then the I think it was, what was it, the PD 915Ds, where they did have an LCD screen, and then the SP15 did not have LCD screen. So it's kind of what they're kind of doing with the ProReck right here. So we have our extension poles right here for the speaker right here. Pretty easy to take a quick look at. We're still going with the little plastic connections on the inside. This unit is definitely smaller, I'll tell you right now, than the 800EX, just from me and unboxing it. I know that the other box is a lot bigger as well. You can see all the connections in here. Looking good, looking good. Looks like this kind of just connects right in here like that. Looks like that's what we got for a pole right here. I'm going to set that off to the side. So here's the speaker. This thing has some weight to it. And we'll go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. Here is the array. Definitely looks different than the other one. The other one is completely like straight up. And we'll do a full comparison, like I said, later coming up. But this definitely has a curve to it. You can see nice grills, nice speakers in there. You can kind of see the speakers in there. Pretty good size speakers. And your connection on the bottom there. Let's go ahead. I'll set this down. it does stand up. And then we have the main unit here. So I'm going to go ahead and switch views, and I'll pull this out without busting my back. Buddy, so I just took off the plastic off this. So this is my first initial look. You can see that I have foam all over me here. But right here, I can already tell it is very different. Okay, so the 800EX, and I'll keep flashing pictures as we go, but the 800EX is definitely a wood box, so it definitely made a lot different. This one, it does sit flat, is definitely different when it comes to the way it looks. I'm pretty sure this feels like a very, very solid, durable, but it feels plastic, like it is a plastic. It has a nice handle on here. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set it on the ground, and I'll get you a full, look at what it is when I put it all together. But I already can see that beautiful grill, handle, cord is in the top here. And it does have some extra stuff that we're going to talk about here on the back. But like I said, let's get a closer look. All right, we're switching the angles here to get the best view of it and put it together. So like I said, it's really easy to put the two bars together or the extensions here together. Kind of only go one way. And then we'll double check here. Yep, looks like these can go anyway. Let's see. Yeah, looks like we got that hooked up really easy. And then you just throw our speaker on top. And it clicks right in. So it is a little shorter, but I still think it looks really good, and a lot of people I think will say it looks really good. I think the actual unit itself looks fantastic, and so far so good. Everything definitely looks good, and we didn't have any problems with the way it was packed. So let's go ahead and I'll take you for a quick look around this bad boy. All right, let's look at this thing. So you can see it definitely has like a plastic look, and you can see that it does take some fingerprints here. So we could see there's the grill. It does have a flat bottom with like 4 kind of little legs, but they're all with inset. Here's that pole. Got the inner speakers in there. And like I said, very, very cool. We'll talk about the specs as we go here in a second. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the back side here. And it does have a very beautiful LCD screen that we're going to be seeing here. It does have combo jacks, mic and line jacks. It has your levels. 2 inputs here, so you can either do line or mics on here, or it might be okay for an instrument. It does have your 3.5 millimeter jack, which is very easy to use. Has a master volume. Also has your clicker for your control, for your DSP control. It has RCAs, and it has a XLR output to go to any powered speaker. So we'll go to any powered speaker. You do have your aux level right here, Bluetooth level. So if we hook up Bluetooth, this will be your control for the main gains. And then it also has your mic echo reverb. So you actually have a dedicated volume for mic echo and reverb here for your microphone on a dedicated channel. So very cool. We could take a quick look. I'm gonna tilt this forward a little bit. At the back, basically your plug-in on and off. You have inline fuse. You have a little bit of specs here. You can kind of see that. 4x4, 1x12 woofer, 4x4 mid drivers, and a 4x1" Neo tweeter. SPL 105 decibels, and we're going to test that thanks to my new tester. So we're going to get to that as well. This is the 900EX. And yeah, I'm not going to fire it up, guys. You'll have to wait for the full review on that. But this was just a quick look at it. Let's go ahead and hit the specs and give you my initial thoughts on the speaker. After unboxing it, taking a quick look at it, it does have that kind of PA column system vibe, kind of like some other ones out there. But once again, ProReck, I think, hits it pretty well with the design on the sub. The sub looks really, really cool. It, like I said, it has like a plastic shell, but it really feels super sturdy. So I am liking the initial look and design compared to the 800EX, which really kind of looks similar to some other speakers out there. So I like that they did their own thing, and this thing is looking pretty cool for a column array type system. It does have some intuitive digital sound processing with the full LCD screen, which they didn't have before. It does have Bluetooth 5.0 and true wireless sound connect, which we'll test here in the future. And then the upgrades from the 800, if you guys just want to know, well, what's the difference? Well, the biggest difference is this one is claiming a little bit more power, which we'll find out which one does better here soon. Like I said, it does have an LCD screen, which makes it different because you can really get into all the settings a lot more. I mean, that just changes the ball game. Instead of just having a few knobs, which we can show you on the 800EX, you're going to have a full LCD display, which is very, very cool. It does have improved mic effects. The 800EX didn't have much. It had a few, but this one kind of enhances that a little bit with full controls in the LCD and a knob dedicated to this, the microphone inputs there. And it also, like I said, they changed the height. The 800 is taller. The 900 is a little shorter and weighs a lot less too. I think, well, not a lot less, about 8 pounds. I want to say that this one's 64 pounds and the 800 was a little bit over 70. So not super a lot of tonnage more, but you can just tell that that wooden box definitely adds a couple more pounds to it. And some people might like that. Some people might like the sound of how a wooden box sounds compared to a plastic shell. But like I said, this has a really, really cool design. So I can't wait to get more into this, but I definitely want to just bring you a couple things to get your mind clicking and get you excited about the full review here coming really, really soon. So those are a few differences that we see so far. I can't wait to bring you the full review from me, DJ Martini, Midwest Reviews and Tutorials on the ProReck 900EX. So as for now, I'll keep you in suspense, and I can't wait to see you on my next video or tutorial on the 900EX from ProReck. We'll see you later, but hopefully see you soon. Hit those bell notifications so you know when this review comes out. See you soon.